Ever wondered how Elon Musk travels space as if it's his personal backyard? And this man named Bill Gates casually tosses billions as if they grow on trees.
He is tossing billions, and here I am counting pennies. How and why their life strolls on bed of roses while ours on thorns?
Do you know why? If yes, then enlighten us by dropping it in comments section. If not, then let me tell you their secret.
Wait, don't tell it. Else, they will bunk this video.
Fair enough. How about a story related to this?
Imagine a scene of a theater in 1904 filled with 4,000 Londoners, all of them holding their breath to watch Harry Houdini escaping manacles. And not normal cuffs, but the impossible ones, made up of 6 sets of locks and 9 tumblers in each cuff. A Birmingham maker had spent 5 years of his life to construct those manacles. Experts even said,
"It's impossible to escape these cuffs."
Crowd was amazed when the challengers cuffed Houdini and locked him in a black cabinet.
Surely Houdini will fail this time.
And surprise, Houdini came out of cabinet, and that too without handcuffs. Till the date, no one knows how he escaped. And when Houdini was asked about it, he said,
"These manacles are nothing. I could have freed myself a lot sooner, and even from a lot worse situation."
I think he is Superman.
Yes, he is Superman. When Houdini escaped death with such a ease, people thought him as a superhero.
But it was not any superpowers or magic. It was his hard work and endless practice. Day and night, he studied the workings of locks, researched centuries-old tricks, pored over books on mechanics, learned to control his muscles and breathing.
Wait, is this story even related to The Secret?
Yes, because Houdini used that same trick.
What trick?
The trick is, make your accomplishment seem effortless.
Are you saying that successful people are just pretending their lives is a bed of roses, when it's really a cactus patch?
Yes, you are right. They are just faking in front of us.
Okay, hold on. If they revealed their struggles, wouldn't we respect them more? Blood, sweat, tears, that's the hero's journey, right? So why the big mask of effortlessness?
Are you thinking that people will respect us for our hard work?
Yes.
No, it's exactly opposite. If we show our struggles, then people won't respect us. Imagine if Houdini described his backstage struggles, then he would be treated as a normal man, not a Superman, because Superman doesn't face problems. Superman does not struggle. Superman does everything with very ease. And if people get to know that you are facing struggles, then they will consider you one of the mortals in this world. And if you are one of them, then why would they respect you? Hence, if you want respect, then be different. Don't let people know about your struggles. Make your accomplishments seem effortless.
I am now understanding 40% of the things what you taught today.
Let's try to make it 100 through an example.
Dating these days, it's like playing musical chairs with trust issues. Let me tell you how hard I struggled to write this. My brain was blank. Then I went for 4 hours long walk. Something striked, but was not clear enough. This single joke took me 3 days.
If I was there, I would run from that show.
Comment what you would do in this situation, and try it in a funny way.
Now let's imagine the same situation but differently.
Dating these days is like playing musical chairs with trust issues, except half the chairs are already taken. And while desperately searching for a date, I found a girl with a bio adventure seeker. Honey, the only adventure in your life is finding the remote under the cushions. Speaking of adventures, do you remember vacations? Spending more time posing than exploring, wondering if your tan lines will last longer than your relationship.
I understood the power of being effortless. It's like that Instagram model who posts flawless beach selfies but never shows the sunburn.
Whether you are an artist, businessman, politicians, or anything, if you make your effort invisible, people believe that you could always do more if you tried harder. This elicits not only admiration but a touch of fear. Your powers are untapped and no one can fathom your limits, so make your accomplishments seem effortless.
Now, I will do things effortlessly. That means I have to stop doing effort?
No, not at all. As a person of power, you must put your blood and tears into your work, but don't wear your struggle like a fashion statement. Make people feel that you are doing it with so ease. Doing so, you surround yourself with mystery.
What mystery?
They think,
How is he doing so easily?
the more this mystery surrounds your actions, the more awesome your power seems, and you appear to be the only one who can do what you do. But you have to care one more thing, to be that only one who can do what you do.
What's that?
There was once a wrestling master who taught 359 moves to his favorite student. As time went by, the young man became master in his skill and his ego reached its peak, due to which he challenged his master. This old master agreed to the challenge. Master then seized him, lifted him high above his head, and flung him crashing to the ground.
How that old man won so easily with that young, powerful man?
That's because Master knew 360 moves, but only taught 359 out of them. As you stayed till the end of this video, so note your bonus point. Teach no one your tricks. Just imagine what would happen if the master taught him that last trick. P.T. Barnum recognized that understanding his tricks delighted his public, so Barnum did what his audience wanted. He revealed his struggles. There are times when revealing the efforts can prove worthwhile. It all depends on your audience's taste and the times in which you operate.
Just now you said that revealing struggle is bad.
As long as the disclosure is carefully planned, it's great. But if it is the result of an uncontrollable need to blab, then it's dangerous. That's all for now. And if you're craving to learn to earn more superpower, then there is a button in your screen and you know what to do with that button.